Welcome back to STL Live. Dental hygiene can be costly, but here to talk about affordable oral health for people of all ages, underserved populations, including the uninsured and underinsured, rural areas, and the innovative partnership that is sure to make you smile is dental student Kalleb Greene. I'm calling you dental student, but really you're
Right.
practically Dr. Greene.
Almost
A couple of months,
Just a few more months, hopefully.
and you're done.
Right.
So tell us about this place. It sounds tremendous.
Right.
I mean, I was reading up on it that it's huge, that you serve everybody, that you have special lifts for people who need, that you
Right.
have special rooms for people who are over 350 pounds. I mean, this is really a great facility.
Right. So the goal of our school's clinic is to serve underserved populations, whether that's financially or wherever, if you're a minority that can't speak English, we have translators at the clinic that can provide that service to you. The big thing is that we provide the comprehensive care to all patients. So we treat pediatric patients, special needs patients, geriatric patients, adults. We treat everything. And we take you from the first step to the last step. And we don't cut any corners.
And you have so many programs, and you were talking about the sliding scale.
Right.
What is that?
So we have a sliding scale, which is a fee system that, say a patient doesn't qualify for Medicaid. We accept Medicaid in the clinic, but say you make too much, but you still are kind of struggling to make ends meet, and maybe you're not even struggling to make ends meet, but it's basically an income-based scale where they determine how much it's going to cost your treatment, so it helps drastically reduce the cost of getting the dental care in the clinic.
And this isn't some hole in the wall where you're rinsing off the equipment in the back and coming out. This is
No.
state of the art,
Right.
a really great facility.
Right. We have state-of-the-art equipment. It's a 79,000 square foot building, 93 chairs. So right now we have 84 students in the clinic providing care all day, every day of the week, except weekends.
And we were talking a little bit beforehand, and I asked you why you did what you did, and you said one of the reasons was that you really like to see the transition in your patients from the first day they
Right.
come in till the day they leave.
Right.
And you shared a story with me.
Right.
Would you mind sharing that story
I will.
with our listeners,
So
viewers?
I had a patient that came in about a year ago, and she had some pretty extensive dental needs. She had formerly been a dancer, so if she's watching this, she'll know who she is. But she was formerly a dancer for Janet Jackson and Bobby Brown, kind of on the professional circuit. And she came back to St. Louis, and she gives her time to kind of teach young girls and boys how to dance. And she doesn't make a lot of money doing that, but that's her service that she provides to the community. And so she came into the clinic with these needs, and I told her, the only thing that we can do is put you in dentures. And she was so excited to get dentures, which you never get that reaction from somebody.
Because she needed so much
Right,
work
she
done.
had such just extensive problems, and this was the best way and the most cost-effective way to fix her problems. And so it took 4 or 5 months to get everything done, and you could see the transition from when she first came in, gradually through the process. She put more makeup on, did her hair up, and by the last day that she came in, she had, full outfit, makeup, and everything, and taking pictures with everybody, and she's like the queen of the clinic. Everybody knows who she is, and so she's a great patient. She's probably one of my favorite patients.
So it just seems like what you're doing is spiritual, mental, emotional.
Right, it's comprehensive. I mean, and we talk about comprehensive in terms of dental care, but if you think about it, I mean, you really make a difference in people's lives. You don't think just with your smile how that affects your ability to put yourself out there or someone else's perception of you. And so it really can change your life, not just health-wise, but in a lot of ways.
Wonderful. Well, we are out of time, and I wish we could talk more, but certainly I hope our viewers will take advantage of this tremendous facility that you have there, future Dr. Greene. To learn more about ATSU University and to make appointments for care, please call 314-833-2700. Stay with us at STL Live. There's more right after this.